Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to see what is keep filter function in DAX and how can we use this keep filter function inside our Power BI report. So to understand this function, let us consider we are using an electronic store sales data set. So for this electronic store, let us consider we have an business use case, which is to show the revenue for a particular brand by keeping the existing filter in a table. So let us see how this keep filter function, which helps to solve this business use case. So let's start inside Power BI now. So now we are inside Power BI desktop, and we are having a table which shows the details of each brand which are present in our electronic store, and for each brand we have the total sales for that particular brand. So now if I want to show the total sales which happened only for my Dell brand, then I can rewrite my measure. So let me write and measure to calculate my Dell sales alone. So I'll give a title like Dell sales. So in that I will use my calculate function, and in the expression I'm going to give my total sales measure which I have created already. So in the filter field, I'm going to filter my Dell sales alone. So for that I will mention my brand column, and I will give a filter for Dell. So let us use this measure now. So now if I use this Dell sales measure, it shows only my Dell sales for each row of my brand. So this is not what I expected. So this happens because my calculate function, which modifies my filter context, or it ignores my filter context with respect to the filters which are mentioned inside my calculate function. So in this case, I want my Dell sales measure to give the sales value only for my Dell brand, and for other brand it should return blank values. So in order to achieve that, I will use my keep filter function inside my calculate, so that this will consider my filter context, and this will keep the filters which are other than my Dell brand. So let us see how it works now. So now if you see my Dell sales measure, this considers my filter context, and it keeps the filters which are already existing in the table, and it only gives the value for my Dell brand. So this is how we can use this keep filter function to consider the filters which are already existing, and it does the calculation only for the filters which are mentioned inside the function. So this is how keep filter function works inside Power BI report. So I hope you understood how this keep filter function, which helps to consider the filter instead of overriding it in the visual. And thanks for watching this video.